Hello everyone, this is Hitech Talk. So after Instagram new update, this plus icon is missing in Instagram app. So the people are worried like how to do a post in Instagram, because before while clicking on plus we were getting an option to select a photos or a videos, but that plus icon is only missing. So how to use that, I will show you in my mobile screen. When you will open your Instagram now after a update, you will see message icon, search icon and reel icon. That plus icon you can see in this side, this is missing after a new update. So how to post it? You need to click on the plus icon, you can see on the top left here, you can see you have to click on this, and from here you can select anything you want to post it and click on next. So you will find it in the top left. So I hope you will find this video useful. Thank you.